Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in an open playlist of homemade gingies. We'll talk more about that later, so let's get started with some gingerbread DIYs. Here are the items needed for DIY number 1. This ornament set I purchased from Target's Dollar Spot. It cost $3 and I think it's a great buy for 8 pieces. From the Dollar Tree you'll need this Gingerbread Man cutout, and out of this craft kit, I'll be just using this piece to help the gingerbread man to stand. You'll also need some paint colors and markers, a red gel pen, embellishments, and a glue gun. The first thing I'll do is remove the tag and fill in the hole using my glue gun. Now it's time to paint these. I found these cute peppermints at Hobby Lobby at 50% off, so I removed the buttons and I used these instead. Here's how he looks so far. I painted the face off camera. I added glitter to his cheeks and bow tie, and I think he's looking adorable. You can add some tumbling tower blocks to the back for added stability. I'll adhere everything all together, and I'll be back with the reveal. Here he is, all completed, holding his cup of hot cocoa. I love all the stitch details, and I think this turned out so adorable. Today I'm participating in an open playlist of homemade gingy DIYs. The hosts are Sarah with JujubeediY and Jackie at CraftinginMimisWorld. I'll be sure to leave their channel links of these talented ladies, as well as a playlist for the other creators in the description box. So please be sure to check them out, and with all that being said, let's continue crafting. For the next DIY, here are the items needed. This small picture frame I got on clearance at Michael's. The wood box is from Target's Dollar Spot a while back. From the Dollar Tree you'll need these craft sticks, wood pieces, and glass jars. And these candy embellishments are all from Hobby Lobby. You'll also need some paint colors, a paint marker, scrapbook paper, and a glue gun. Now it's time to paint these. Next, adhere the scrapbook paper inside the frame. Next, I use my Cricut Joy to make this simple label. Use some hot glue to adhere the craft sticks to the back of the sign. Now it's time to fill up the jars with the candy. I adhered the sign to the box. I'll put everything together and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here's the gingerbread candy shop all completed. I added some peppermint embellishments around the sign, and I think this turned out so cute and adorable. For the next DIY, you'll need these 3 ornaments for the Target Dollar Spot set, along with this bottle of Santa's cookies. This piece is from a Dollar Tree 3D craft kit, and the mini rolling pin is from Woodpeckers Crafts. You'll also need some paint colors, puffy paint, cardstock, and a glue gun. The first thing to do is use puffy paint in the grooves, wipe off the excess, and let this dry. Now these are ready to paint. I traced out white cardstock for both of these, and I added a smaller piece of red cardstock for the gingerbread man. Now you can arrange and adhere the cookies onto the cutting board. I'll arrange everything together, and then I'll be back with the reveal. Here it is, all completed. Gingerbread Man has been baking chocolate chip cookies all day. I think it looks so cute holding that rolling pin in his hand, and I added a cute little bow to the cutting board. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment and let me know which one of these DIYs is your favorite. I had a lot of fun with these gingerbread DIYs. Until next time, take care and thank you for watching.